Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for Trade of the Week, 10-minute trades. Old reliable. Over and over again, this particular event makes us money. Let me show you. We love companies that make money for us quarter after quarter, and United Health is one of those. Don't forget though, you can still lose money trading futures, so trade carefully. With United Health, we have a very nice setup that we send to our members the day before the earnings are due to come out. Now, you might remember that United Health was the company that had a major hack last year. It affected pharmacies all over the country. People couldn't get their prescriptions. It was crazy. And the irony is, I remember the quarter after that took place, their earnings were not bad. I don't know how that happens. You get hacked and you make money. Incredible. But United Health, we don't really care what the news is, if it's good, bad, or indifferent. We just care that the earnings react in a way that we can trade them with futures and make money. So we don't mind getting up early, and we bug our members to join us. You can see that our software creates a range. It's a special feature in our software called the range trade. Our orders are going to show up in a moment, and then the earnings are going to come out. The market's going to push down. We're going to get pulled into the market. It chopped a little bit. It hits, watch, it's going to hit my first target. After pulling back, boom, hits my second target. Once again, United Health, more than $150 in profits in just a few seconds of trading with very few contracts, a very small trade. Every member in our trade room that traded that report made money. I believe maybe one person had a problem with their fills, but we traded that in our prop account. You can trade it in your cash account. United Health has been a winner quarter after quarter for a couple of years now. We're very happy to teach our members how to do these trades, and you can do it too. United Health is our trade of the week this week for 10-minute trades. Earnings are here, so check this email out and sign up and become a member so you can learn all about trading earnings with futures. Leigh Goldstein for 10-minute trades. See you next time. Members Trade of the Week.